Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber and I make videos on YouTube about reselling clothing on the Poshmark app. And my Poshmark closet is Dressed by Amber. Today's video is a sharing experiment, and it's been a video that's been on my idea list for a long time, so I'm very excited to do this and to see what the results look like. So if you are not familiar with Poshmark shares, maybe you're just brand new to the app, maybe go watch my other video first where I talk about Poshmark shares, what the difference is between a self-share and a community share, and why self-shares are so important. The main idea is that self-shares gets your listing at the top of the search, so anything that someone searches for that relates to your listing, it'll bring your item to the top of that search. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my own items constantly for 4 hours. I have a baseline from yesterday where I kept track of how many likes did I get, how many follows, how many people shared my items, how many orders, and yesterday I did not do anything with my closet. So I did not share any of my listings, or nor did I do anything else. But the main difference between yesterday, I didn't do any shares. Today I will be doing shares, and that's it. So I have, like I said, written down how everything went yesterday, and then I'm going to compare it to how things go today. So I will be sharing my closet for 4 separate hours from 9 to 10 a.m. So that would be 7 a.m. West Coast, 10 a.m. East Coast, and then noon to 1, and then 2 more hours tonight. And then I will count up again how many likes did I get, how many follows, how many shares, and compare that to yesterday when I did not do any self-shares. And obviously my expectation is that activity in my closet will go up. Hopefully I will get some likes on my items, and then I will send out offers to those people. Yesterday I only got 1 like. I did send out an offer to that person, but they didn't accept. So hopefully today I'll get more likes and I will send out more offers to the people who liked my items. I do have 85 listings in my closet, so I should be able to share my closet quite a few times in an hour, and I will keep track of how many times I shared all of the listings in my closet. Alright, it is almost 9 a.m., so I am going to go upstairs and wait till 9 and then start sharing my closet for 1 hour straight. I'm now going to go over the stats from the day without shares and the day with shares. So on Friday was when I had no shares at all, and Saturday is when I shared for 4 hours. Listing and YouTube videos are 2 things that bring traffic to my closet, and so I intentionally did not post a YouTube video or list while I was doing this experiment. So it had been a week since I listed and 2 weeks since I posted a YouTube video, so those should not be influencing the results. So Friday, when I did not do shares, there were 94 total notifications, and Saturday when I was doing the 4 hours of shares, there was 423 notifications. Friday I got 68 new followers, so those are people who are following my closet, and Saturday I got 67, so almost exactly the same between the 2 days. For people sharing my items, I had 25 shares on Friday and 328 on Saturday. That doesn't surprise me, because when I'm sharing my items, that means they're going to the top of the search, and if people are just going through and like searching for dresses and then sharing all the dresses, then they would share my items, or sharing all the jeans, or so it didn't surprise me that the shares were boosted up a lot. Now let's get to the part that is really important. So likes are usually an indication that someone is interested in your item. So that's obviously a very good sign of a potential sale. So on Friday, I had 1 like all day. And then on Saturday, I had 22 likes. So that's a huge increase. And then on Friday, so I had said earlier in my video that I got 1 like, sent out an offer, and they didn't accept. But they actually ended up accepting on Saturday. So I did make 1 sale from that 1 like on Friday. And it was an item that's been in my closet for a while, so it only sold for $10.20. But I did make a sale from my Friday like. So on Saturday, I had 22 likes, and I did have 1 person send me an offer. So when I did my 9 to 10 a.m. shares, right after I finished that, I had someone send me an offer for $50. So I had a dress listed at $65. She offered me $50, and I accepted that offer. And so that was my first sale of the day. Then right after I shared from noon to 1, I sent out offers to everyone who had liked an item during that time, and I had 1 person accept the offer. So I sold a dress for $25 and $1.80 off shipping, so $23.20. Then from 6 to 7 p.m., I sent out offers right after I did that hour of sharing, and again I had someone accept an offer. So I had someone accept an offer of $12 and $1.80 off shipping, so it sold for $10.20. And then from 9 to 10 p.m. I sent out offers again, but I did not have anybody accept. So in total I made 3 sales of $83.40. And so overall I would say it was successful. It did what I hoped it would. I got more traffic to my closet, which resulted in more likes or more interest from people, which resulted in more sales. One thing I found was interesting was I was expecting that the nighttime hours would be the most busy, because I thought that would be the time people are most likely to be on their phone. But actually the 9 to 10 p.m. hour was my least busy of the entire day. I only got 1 like during that time, and it was the hour I think I had the least total notifications. 6 to 7 p.m. was the busiest for likes. I had 7 likes during that 1 hour. So if you guys like this experiment, please give the video a like, and feel free to comment down below if anything surprised you. I do want to do this again sometime, maybe when I have more listings in my closet, or maybe do like a Saturday versus a Sunday, and do like Saturday no shares, Sunday shares, because it is possible like Saturday there's more activity on the app, so maybe that helped the stats. But I think most of this difference was driven by the fact that I was sharing my listings all throughout the day. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned because I'll be putting out a new video soon.